Welcome, everybody. My name is Miroslav Polzer. I'm the Strategic Director of the ClimateChainCoalition. It's a network of organizations that look how to harness blockchain technology for enhanced climate action. And we are accredited to the UNFCCC process since the COP26. And we are here to report about the progress that our organization has been done over the last 5 years and to present a stocktake report that has been produced especially for COP27 and an updated strategy. And you will meet our members, as there's the saying, tell me who you are with and I will tell you who you are. And so our friends here will certainly impress you and show you who we are. And we will start the press conference with a video message from Tom Baumann, the chair and the founder of the ClimateChainCoalition. Please, Tom, the floor is yours.
Participation, including online. Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's event. My name is Tom Baumann, and I chair the Climate Change Coalition. I would like to first congratulate and thank all of my coalition colleagues for their excellent efforts, both individually and collectively, in advancing transformative digital climate innovations. The coalition was founded 5 years ago with the support of the UN Climate Change Secretariat to be a big tent and open global multi-stakeholder network. We are celebrating our 5th anniversary at COP27. During those years, the coalition has grown from 12 founding organizations to over 360 organizations in 69 countries. The coalition was founded on the ethos of blockchain and emerging technologies as an open, distributed network where members self-organize into member-driven initiatives. As part of our COP27 activities, we are launching our stocktake report and new strategy to guide our path going forward. The coalition's mission is to resolve issues and challenges needed to advance transformative digital climate innovations by co-creating resources to support a shared data and digital infrastructure, as well as supporting networking and capacity building, as well as partnering between digital and climate communities. At COP27, the coalition is partnering with IAAI Glotcha on the new digital innovation platform to enhance stakeholder participation, including online. As well, the coalition is launching a series of climate change labs focusing on key issues, including adaptation and resilience, digital finance, as well as citizen and youth empowerment. As well, the stocktake report analyzes our member database, which is being migrated into an online searchable member map so that stakeholders can access contact information, know the locations, organization descriptions, as well as better understand the types of organizations, the types of blockchain technologies that are being used, the level of development of those blockchain technologies, as well as knowing member priorities in terms of market geographies, types of applications, as well as different stakeholders. The stocktake report is a real testament to the goodwill and commitment of coalition members. We encourage you to check our new resources and to get in contact with coalition members to learn more about their innovations. Thank you, and sending my best wishes to everyone for a successful COP.
Thank you very much, Tom Baumann. So as you have heard, there's a lot going on. The movement is growing and our activities are growing. Tom has mentioned the Digital Innovation Pavilion. It's in the Area C, P55, and you find also the link to the agenda there. And if you look for the hashtag COP27 Digital Innovation Pavilion. You will also get find a way to this homepage and resource to the agenda. But another big development are the climate chain labs. Catherine Foster, please tell us a little bit about it.
Thank you very much. My name is Catherine Foster. I'm the Executive Director of the Green Digital Finance Alliance, a Swiss-based not-for-profit think-do tank that focuses on thought leadership, tools and frameworks, pilots and demonstrations, and advisory for climate finance. And we're very pleased to be a partner with the Climate Chain Coalition. I've actually been involved from the outset through different organizations that have benefited from the consortia-based and crowdsourcing and self-organization of the Climate Chain Coalition to build out concrete solutions and this thought leadership. We are actually now a network of global experts that are organizing on financial innovation for climate, and we'll be building out the Climate Finance Lab, which we've launched this week, to leverage the innovation of our network of networks to amplify innovation and crowdsource those opportunities. And I'm very grateful also to Tom, to Miroslav, and to the Social Alpha Foundation, which also provided some funding towards these initiatives.
Thank you very much, Catherine. And now, as I said, the movement is growing from 12 to 360 in 5 years. And in the next 5 years, let's add another 500 organizations, and Christina will help us there.
Thank you so much, Miroslav. Yes, I'm representing Cointelegraph, one of the oldest and biggest publications in the world dedicated to cryptocurrencies and blockchain and decentralization. And I'm honored and very pleased that we are part of this initiative, and we can offer our platform to promote the amazing group that has been forming and bridge the communities of blockchain and climate. Education is key here, and media responsibility is incredibly high, and we consider it our biggest mission to talk not only about what is intrinsic to the blockchain industry, but what's going on beyond. And because it's out of the box that the things are uniting us, because this conference is talking about climate action, and climate is so much more about just climate change. It's about sustainability, and it's about our future. So I'm very honored and pleased to be media partner and an ambassador for the Climate Chain Coalition. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Christina. And as at this COP27, finance is one of the core priorities of the presidencies. We are very proud that our Climate Chain Coalition has a team working on this kind of solutions, and Alexei is also one of the key solution providers in this field and expert and founding member as well. Alexei, please, your 90 seconds.
Hi everyone, so my name is Alexei. I'm CEO and co-founder of EverCity, Green Debt and Carbon Origination Platform. I'm also leading the Finance Working Group and the Climate Chain Coalition. First of all, I want to thank our leaders, Tom Baumann, Masamba Tioye, Miroslav Polzer, Catherine, and many others for providing this thought leadership and guiding us during these 5 years. So thanks to all of you. And what I want to wish to our organization in the next 5 years, and what we will be doing, is we will continue develop publications regarding the use cases, implementing blockchain and digital technologies for finance. We also will be doing training that many people requested, and train on digital MRV and digital finance. And finally, we are thinking of providing guidance and quality assurance to the new projects that are rapidly emerging right now on the markets. So we want to make sure that those projects are not only innovative and cool, but also aligned with core UN values and standards that are currently exist there and that were developed by many experts within the UN process and beyond. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Alexei. And as everybody knows carbon markets are a key topic also for the implementation of the Paris Agreement. And for these markets to function, there's a need for data and digital innovation infrastructure. There's a need for registries, and blockchain technology is a key enabler of solutions that are able to scale and to function globally. And we are happy to have Juan Duarez from Eco-Registry as one of our members, who is also leading the Latin American and Spanish-speaking subgroup of Climate Change Coalition.
Thank you very much, Miro and Catherine and Tom and everybody here in this table. My name is Juan Duran. I'm the CEO of Eco-Registry, and actually the Climate Change Coalition has enabled us to connect with different platforms, exchange information, and actually more than that, to connect solutions all around the world, so to give opportunities to the projects and initiatives that are doing something for sustainable development, that are doing mitigation projects and reduction projects, to be connected. Actually, from this table, I believe that I work with all of them, and we have our platforms connected to bring this environment of solutions that will help tackle climate change.
Bravo. Great work that you are doing. And another leader in these carbon markets, carbon credits, is ClimateCoin and the Green Climate DAO. Javier Manzanares, please, the floor is yours.
Thank you so much. Also from ClimateCoin, we are a very proud founding member of the Climate Change Coalition. So yes, my name is Javier Manzanares. I'm representing Climate Trade as an advisor to the board, and I'm CEO of the ClimateCoin and the Green Climate DAO. Since 2017, Climate Trade has implemented very successfully a marketplace based on blockchain technology that facilitates the offsetting of CO2 and the communication between the project developer and corporations that are in need to compensate the CO2 footprint. The Green Climate DAO, it's the selected governance model that we have chosen. In essence, what it means is that the participants, the contributors to the DAO, are the ones making the decisions. And I would like to use this opportunity to invite all members of the Climate Change Coalition to be part of our Green Climate DAO. We've had conversations already with Tom Baumann, with an open invite to a Climate Change Coalition to be indeed part of our governance. And likewise, I would like to extend it to all of you members. Being connected, being part of the Climate Change Coalition has also allowed us to communicate, to work with the members. We have, like my colleague prior to my intervention, Juan has indicated, we work with many of you. We would like to even deepen more so the relationship. So in essence, to give you a brief example, today at the Caribbean Pavilion, today we have demonstrated that by presenting to the Caribbean region a case where through blockchain technology and through the national registry, Eco-Registry in Colombia, we were able to tokenize those certified carbon credits and convert them into a digital currency, ClimateCoin. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Javier. And as you see already, the potential and the power of this Climate Change Coalition is that we work together. So it's not an isolated individual solution provider, but we build on the solutions and the competencies and the networks of one another, and this helps us to deliver transformative results. And as you have said, we need to bring these solutions and marketplaces to everyone, and I'm happy to now give the floor to Irina Karagiao from Unique Network, NFT platform, and co-coordinator of Digital Art for Climate, showing how this kind of tools can help all of society engagement.
Thank you very much, Miroslav. It's a great pleasure to join Climate Change Coalition on behalf of Unique Network. We're very honored to be part of this network of professionals and bring together with our partners Digital Innovation Pavilion as well as Digital Art for Climate. Next week we're launching Digital Art for Climate Marketplace with NFT sales here at the COP. Please join us next week on Monday from 11 a.m. onwards. Also this year, already at this COP, we're thinking of amplifying our presence at COP28 and enabling sustainable metaverse in the UAE. And my personal focus will be on art for impact, continuing powering Digital Art for Climate initiative, bringing art, tech, and climate communities together. Also this month, 25 and 26 of November, we have an event at UNESCO headquarters in Paris, which will bring greater awareness to architecture and art communities and bring them to our Digital Art for Climate initiative. Once again, big thank you to Miroslav Polzer and members of Climate Change Coalition for all of the opportunities and impactful work we're doing.
Thank you very much, Irina. Very happy to have you as a member. And Professor Kim from Seoul University and Goyang City, also a long-time partner who works on cities and blockchain-enabled climate neutrality pathways. Please.
Thank you very much.
Could you closer to the microphone? Yeah.
I am a co-leader of the UNFCCC and the Goyang Cooperation Project, which is being undertaken according to letter of intent, which has been signed between UNFCCC and Goyang City. Digital climate innovations are very important part of this particular initiative. We have undertaken the first phase of the project, and I would like to share with you the result, two findings. First one is the result of the consumption-based accounting system, much more than emission established using the production-based approach. Second one is a knowledge-based approach is very essential for the knowledge accounting using urban computing, for which we expect CCC will be involved in. It will be a bold global initiative. Therefore, I hope everything get on board for this particular initiative. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Professor Qui-Gon Kim. So, and perhaps to mention also that we are working also in a certain triangle with the UN Global Innovation Hub, Mr. Masamba Tioyi, who is the founder and coordinator of the Global Innovation Hub, working for the UN Climate Change Secretariat. He was also our founding co-chair and thought leader of the coalition, and he has his base where needs-based innovations are incubated and driven forward, and we have the blockchain technology focused digital innovation pavilion, and we are working together in a very synergistic way. And with this I would give the floor to the audience for questions. I see Pouria Salehi from ICLEI. I think it would be very interesting to hear your thoughts on what the Climate Change Coalition can deliver, because you have been with us already in the past. Could you perhaps come there, or is there somebody with a microphone? No?
As Pouria comes up, I just want to say this is really a testament to the convening capacity of digital innovation and digital technology, and a testament to the collaborative nature of the Climate Change Coalition, that so many of us are working together on these different initiatives that are interconnected and with the Global Innovation Hub.
Fantastic. First and foremost, thanks so much for giving me the opportunity to ask this question, or perhaps more of a comment, but I would like to start this contribution with one quick sort of highlight about the role of COP. I guess after 2015, that Paris Agreement was adopted and ratified next year, and then leading to COP26, the rulebook was finalized. I think we've gratefully come almost to the end of what needs to be negotiated internationally, and now is the time to dim up the light a little bit in the areas and coalitions such as Climate Change Coalition that they are going to implement. And now it's the time to heavily move into implementation agenda. And therefore, this is the moment that coalitions such as Climate Change Coalition with many partners here, and the great numbers that Miro, you shared about, like more enterprises joining this space, is very inspiring. And the focus of this type of initiatives are on implementation, which is very exciting, but leveraging the offerings of fourth industrial revolution, particularly distributed leisure technology, that is one of the focus. And I believe this, the work that you are doing and the labs that you mentioned on adaptation and digital finance will absolutely be crucial for cities. As someone who's working with cities, I'm very optimistic and looking very forward to see the result and how best we as ICLEI can work with you to sort of scale the wonderful innovations that each of you in your organization, but also as a meta and the sort of a coalition are delivering to take them and deliver to the ground with cities. Thank you.
Bravo, Purya. It's really, your network is a wonderful partner for us, because you have those cities that are most ambitious, who want to become climate neutral and are looking for pathways and tools to get there. And we need such kind of partners who then develop pilots with us, and then also the mechanisms for scaling up replicating solutions. And Hamesh, from UNU, would you like to say a little bit about our side event that we have on Monday? We have on Monday, 1:15 till 2:45, a joint side event, Climate Change Coalition, IAI, and the World Green Economy Organization, and the Munich Re Foundation. And we have this expertise on data for the energy transition in Africa, and for energy security and other topics. Please, just a short pitch for our side event, and then also brief information about your work and how it connects.
Definitely, thanks a lot for the opportunity. Greetings, my name is Himanshu Shekhar. I work for the United Nations University in Germany, Bonn, and we closely are looking at how digitalization could be used to enhance climate action. We have worked for a long time on climate knowledge, and that's where we are also going to pitch the event on Monday. So thanks a lot for the kind invitation. What has been of particular interest, and where we also have seen the gap, is that there's so much knowledge, but how do we use the emerging technologies, particularly the technologies that you talked about, the coalition is working on, is to ensure transparency and accountability at the very lowest level of governance. This is something, for example, we are trying to work on the smart city in India. So a small invitation from our side as well. Do join us on Monday, and we hope to talk more about that. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much. Such a pleasure having you with us. Yeah, and one thing that I would like also to briefly mention is that we are now working also on a very interesting strategic partnership with the government of Slovenia. There will be at our Digital Innovation Pavilion the Slovenian Day, where we will present Slovenian solutions for climate action, for instance, COP in the metaverse, and also the potentials of the Slovenian Expo 2020 pavilion, which the Slovenian government decided now to continue to have and to invest into it. How this will be also really a basis for digital innovation community at the forthcoming COP28 in Dubai. So, and there are so many dimensions to our work. Here on the slide of Tom Baumann, you see the homepage, www.climatechangecoalition.org. and everyone invited to join the movement. And I think we have done a good job.
We have 3 minutes for photos.
Yeah, 3 minutes for photos, exactly. Yeah, yeah, please.
Otherwise, we will be all chased away.
Yeah.